you thought you paid
Why
it?
would you say that?
Why'd you have to wait 5 minutes?
You have these candies?
What? I don't know.
You know what those are?
No.
Really?